Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making an ornament topiary tree. Subscribe now so you won't miss any of our exciting new videos. We do like to use recycled materials. The biggest ball on our tree at the bottom is a recycled light shade, which we got for $1. We'll be using a 3/8 inch dowel to go through all the ornaments. So we're just checking out the drill bit here. It's a special glass bit, which we got online. And so yeah, we have to drill holes in those. Unfortunately, there you go, one didn't quite make it. But for the most part, it's a pretty easy and simple process. There, now that the holes are drilled, there's a quick touch up to cover up the shattered little pieces, and these are some of the ornaments. Taking off the little tips so that we can cut the ends off and then put the dowel through them. So we bought some ornaments at the Dollarama. We use some plastic snips. Once we take the little caps off, then we have to snip some of the plastic off as well, and these are plastic snips. I don't think a regular pair of scissors will work. If you don't have access to a really large ornament for the bottom, you can use 2 plastic bowls as we're doing here. And they're only like $1, $1.50 each versus $10 for a big ornament in the store. Here, now that we've got that, we're cutting off the ends that we had the little metal caps on. We'll have to do that so the dowel will go through and the ornament will sit flat on the ornament underneath it. And here we're using a soldering gun to heat through the plastic so we can get a big enough hole on the top so we can put the dowel through. As you heat up the hole, just continually test it with your test dowel so you know you got the right size. You don't want to make it too big, then it's just going to flop around on the dowel. There, once all the holes are done, we'll put the dowel into some foam at the bottom of a vase and place all the ornaments in the order that they're going to go in. Biggest to the smallest and the pointy one on top. For our little tree here, we're using a lot of red, but you can use any color ornaments you like. If you want green, blue, silver, gold, whatever's out there, whatever you've got, anything will do. So we're using these metal urns and we put foam or styrofoam in the bottom. Just try to put your stick in relatively straight so you don't have a crooked little tree. And then just gently put everything on there. Like I said, largest to smallest. If your dowel's a bit too long, just size it up with your top ornament and then lop or saw the top off so that it's not extensively high. And there you go, you put the pointy one on top and there's your topiary ornament tree. Pretty cool, eh? Now we're making the one with the bowl ornament on the bottom. So you just put your 2 bowls down there together to make the bottom ornament. Nice and simple. And on this one we're going to be putting some lights inside as well. So that'll just brighten it right up. And there we go. Put the pointy on top and we've got our new tree. Now it's moving on to the decoration part. For this project we had some poinsettias and some leaves and holly stuff, and so we used that, but you can use anything you have. If you can even use live evergreens if you have stuff like that around the house. There, and look at that. Isn't that just a beautiful ornament? We're making a whole bunch of these to put in front of our house so that we can decorate it all nice for Christmas. It's definitely a project worth doing because the outcome is really, really exciting. Thanks for joining us today on our little project. Please hit subscribe, and if you really enjoyed it, hit the like. Thanks for coming.